School bells are ringing loud and giving you all a call that now your vacation has ended. It's time for studies. K-Tech High School and Junior College welcomes you to Standard 8th for the new academic year 2021 to 2022. Good morning to all my dear children. For our safety, school closures have been common in the battle against COVID-19. We all know it has been more than a year that schools in many countries around the world closed due to this pandemic situation. For us, one of the biggest challenge is our education. So, continuing a learning process during this COVID-19 crisis, we will be using online method teaching for this year. I am Uzma Sheikh, your science teacher for this academic year. Before learning various concepts in science, let us know what does science means. What is science? The answer to this question is very interesting, and that is the word science has been derived from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. That means science is a knowledge. But the question is, what type of knowledge it is? The knowledge gained through observations and experimentations is known as science. What we see is nothing but our observations. For example, does a plant directly grows as a tree? Absolutely no, student. First, we have to sow the seeds, water it daily, take proper care of it. Then after lots of efforts and patience, a plant converts into a tree. So, this is how science tells us about the knowledge through observations and experimentations. As science deals with nature, it is also called natural philosophy. Natural philosophy is nothing but an organized study of nature. So students, what is science is very much clear to you all. For studying science, you will require government publication General Science 7th Standard textbook. Let's go through in short what interesting concepts we are going to learn this year in a 7th Standard General Science textbook. Students, this is your index page from your textbook. In all, you can see there are 20 lessons. So, the first 10 lessons we will be learning in a semester 1, and the other remaining lessons we will be learning in our semester 2. Now, let's have an overview of each chapter, what we are going to learn in it. The very first chapter is the living world, adaptations and classification. In this chapter, we will be learning how various animals have adapted themselves in the surroundings. Second chapter is plants, structure and function. In this, we will be learning about the structure of plants and how it functions. Lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. In this lesson, we will be learning about the properties of different natural resources. Students, natural resources includes air, water and land. We will be learning about them. Lesson number 4, nutrition in living organisms. Students, in this chapter, we will learn different modes of nutrition adapted by different plants and animals for consuming energy. Lesson number 5, food safety. In this lesson, we will be learning different methods of food protections, that is, how to prevent the food from spoiling. Lesson number 6, measurements of physical quantities. Students, in this lesson, we will be learning different physical quantities such as weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume, etc. and how to measure them. Lesson number 7, motion, force, and work. In this lesson, we will be learning about distance, displacement, speed, and velocity in detail with its measuring units. Lesson number 8, Static Electricity. In this chapter, we will be learning about electric charge and various types of electricity, that is frictional electricity and static electricity. Lesson number 9 is heat. Students, in this chapter, we will be learning what is heat, transfer of heat, and various modes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection, and radiation. We will be learning each in detail in this lesson. Lesson number 10, Disaster Management. In this chapter, we will be learning what does disaster means and various disaster, for example, floods, volcanoes, tsunamis. We will be learning how they are caused and how to prevent them. Our lesson number 11 is cell structure and microorganisms. Students, in this chapter, we will be learning what is cell, what are the two types of cell, that is the plant cell and animal cell, and also the instrument used to observe cell is compound microscope. And apart from this, we will be also learning about various microorganisms present in our nature. Lesson number 12, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. Students, in this lesson, we will be learning types of muscles and their roles in functioning of muscular system. And also, we will learn different organs which take part in the digestive system of human beings. Lesson number 13, Changes, Chemical and Physical. In this lesson, we will be learning about various chemical changes and different physical changes that we come across in our daily life. Lesson number 14, Elements, Compounds and Mixture. In this chapter, we will be learning about various methods used for separation of the components of a mixture. And also what is elements and compounds we will be seeing in this chapter, that is lesson number 14. Lesson number 15, Materials we used. In this lesson, we will be learning about various materials used in our daily essential products, that is toothpaste, soap, detergents, and so on. Lesson number 16, Natural Resources. In this lesson, we will be learning about different natural resources. One of them is the minerals and ores. In this, we will be learning about classification of minerals according to their properties. And also, we will be learning about some important ores like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, etc. Lesson number 17, Effects of Light. In this lesson, we will be learning about how does light travel and how does it scatters in different angles. Lesson number 18, Sound, Production of Sound. Students, in this chapter, we will be learning about high and low pitch of sound and also the intensity of sound and sound level. Our lesson number 19 is Properties of a Magnetic Field. In this lesson, we will be learning what is magnetism, what is a magnetic needle, and what are the properties of magnetic lines of force. Our last chapter, lesson number 20, is In the World of Stars. In this lesson, we will be learning about the life cycle of stars and various constellations and zodiac signs. So students, this was an overview of all the lessons which we are going to study in Standard 7. Students, in our next lecture, we will begin with our lesson number 1. Thank you so much, students. Goodbye. Have a nice day.